RoadGlideSully here, checking in from the once independent Lone Star State. I'm going to do a quick video, or at least I'm going to attempt to do a quick video. I say that all the time, as does everybody, and it never happens. Not even going to edit this thing. I want to try to get this thing in one take, no edits. Just want to get it out there so that you guys can take a look. So a while back, I posted a series of videos on seller management. And the whole idea behind those videos were to try to create a conversation, try to get some folks to chime in, and maybe we could all learn a little bit more about how we sell or why we sell or all that good stuff. And one of the people that I was going back and forth with on the comments was Pipe&Tobak, Yanez, and he was contemplating doing a seller management series, and he has decided to do that, and he has already released 2 videos. They are called Pipe&Tobak Cellaring number 1 and number 2. Those are 2 separate videos. He's planning on doing a 7 video series, so he's still got 5 more to go. And in that, he's covering a lot of topics. And I'm going to read them for you here just so that you know what to expect. So the first video was an introduction to the mini-series, which is Pipe&Tobak Cellaring. Second video is what is it and why do we do it? The third video is going to be what do we actually store, age, and preserve? The fourth video is going to be how can we go about buying pipe tobacco, which is a lot of what I talked about in my original video. The fifth one is going to be storing pipe tobacco, which is what we're doing in the experiment. And number 6 is going to be aging pipe tobacco. And then the last one, number 7, is going to be Pipe&Tobak Cellaring Q&A. What that means is that you'll have an opportunity to ask Yanez some questions based on the content in his series, and then he'll do a Q&A to kind of wrap up the series. So I'm looking forward to the remaining 5 episodes. I'm glad that we're getting some input from folks that have been... I'm glad that we're getting some input from folks that have been around the hobby for a while. I think in his intro video, he said he's been actively working on his cellar for about 4 years. So that'll be helpful in getting us a little bit more familiar with the topic and things to think about, so to speak. And so just wanted to put that out there. If you're watching my channel and you haven't found his channel, I'll leave a link down in the crankcase for you to check out his videos. So I'll just leave a link to his channel, and then you can find his videos. They're called Pipe&Tobak Cellaring number 1 and number 2. And eventually 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So that's all I got. Short video. I told you it was going to be fast. I'm going to stick to my guns on this one. And with that, I'm RoadGlideSully. Keep the rubber side down.